Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've got some exciting videos for you guys. I also have one of the cutest pair of sneakers to unbox. But before I get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into some super fun deals. Alright, so you guys have probably heard me talk about Beckett Simonon on my channel before. I have a pair of gorgeous loafers from them. I have a belt from them, and I also have my famous metallic sneakers from them. These are a pair of shoes that I am absolutely obsessed with, and I get so many compliments on every time I wear them. And don't you worry, like, the metallic sneakers are still on the website. You can still definitely go check them out. But today I have another sneaker style that I am so excited about. Just perfect for fall, and it's just a great fall winter shoe. So that is what we are unboxing today. And like I was saying, Beckett Simonon has a lot of great deals going on now and later soon. I have all the details for the sales in my description down below, so definitely go check it out. You can get 2 pairs of shoes for a really great deal. Buy one for yourself, buy one for a friend, buy both for yourself. And if you need any inspiration on what to pick up, I got you. So here is the box. Whoop. And Beckett Simonon handcrafts all of these shoes. They are absolutely gorgeous and just such high quality. And literally, I get a little note in here, which is so cute. Yeah, a little handwritten note we love. But yeah, this is just super nice quality, and the shoes do come in a little dust bag, which, you know me, love a good dust bag. And these are like really soft dust bags, like a little silky, a little soft, we love. And here is the reveal of the sneaker. Da 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 da. Here she is. This sneaker is so stinking cool. Yeah, this is like so cool. So let me give you guys a little close-up on all the details that we got working with. So it has this beautiful forest green color accenting the sides. You have the gum bottoms, and this is in like a really nice suede material, while the base of the shoe is like leather. And then you have some gray suede also accenting here. And it's just really pretty. And I just love this color combo. Like, it's pretty neutral, but with that pop of green, it is just so gorgeous for the fall, for the winter. And then you have more of that green on the heel. And I think the gum bottoms on these look really cool. They kind of give it that old school sneaker vibe to it. And then the inside is also this like tan leather. This style is really similar to my metallic sneakers. So let me grab my metallic sneakers and we can do a little side by side. All right, so here they are side by side. And like I said, the styling is very similar. It's just like these just look like they're dipped in silver. Yeah, these are super fun. And you know me, I've talked about these metallic sneakers all the time. I feel like I've literally had these sneakers styled with every outfit in my wardrobe. The grip these have on my life daily is crazy. Yeah, I've gotten so much use out of these sneakers, so I was super excited to add this to my collection because I already know these are super comfortable. I could wear them literally all day long and I'm not bothered. You know, you'd think sneakers would like just generally be comfortable, but I have had some sneakers in my life that were definitely not comfortable, and that was like super disappointing. But these are actually super comfortable. And yeah, you can see again, like pretty much the same style we're working with here. So I already know that this goes so well with so many different items in my wardrobe. It's just like a fun switch up of color. Like, these are the two like ends of the spectrum of styled sneakers. So if you're into a fun metallic pop of color, definitely recommend. And also if you love a more classic sneaker style with a little pop of color, also recommend. But again, these are super high quality. They are such a great gift to give this season, and they're also a great gift to give yourself. Super cute and really loved. So yeah, really, really nice pair of shoes. And again, they have so many great deals going on right now, so I definitely wanted to show you guys these ones. Obviously, these come in a lot of different color combinations. Actually, so many color combinations. I feel like there's a lot of variety on the website. I mean, again, like two ends of the spectrum. So you can go full metallic, more classic, and everything in between. And I will just go ahead and grab one last style that I do have from Beckett Simonon, which is their loafers. Let me give you guys a little close up. I did an unboxing. Well, I did an unboxing of the metallic sneakers, and you've seen me style these like a million different ways. I also did an unboxing of these loafers, and these are so gorgeous. Like, this is such a beautiful, high quality loafer style, and I feel like loafers are really on trend right now. So if you want to switch it up, maybe get yourself a sneaker, a loafer, you know, cover some bases there. You can definitely do that with some of the deals going on. The one items I don't have to show you but are also going on sale are their boot styles. So if you want to check that out on their website, they also have some like fun boots going on. But yeah, I feel like these kind of span the range of shoe options you can get from Beckett Simonon, and they're also just so fun to style. So loafers, again, like I said, super on trend. You could wear them as workwear, you could wear them as casual wear every day. Yeah, and these, again, super high quality, so soft. The leather is so nice. So definitely recommend these. And then these sneakers, so easy to style. They have so many neutral elements that go so well with so many winter tones. So like the dark blues, the maroons, the forest green. These are all beautiful tones that look really good with this sort of style. And then again, you can add a little bit of color. But yeah, super cute. I love how these aren't overly chunky. I feel like this style is very on trend, very classy, and very classic. So you'll definitely get a lot of use out of these. They're also pretty nice. You could kind of dabble into some workwear outfits with these sneakers. I definitely do style my metallic sneakers with some workwear styles. So if you're kind of into the sneakers for work, or that kind of works with your office, I also definitely recommend that because they're also so comfortable. But yeah, so that's my little Beckett Simonon haul. Like I've been saying, there are so many great deals going on. I will link everything I talked about today in my description down below, so definitely go check it out. Also, definitely take advantage of the sales. I'll have the dates where the sales are available, so hold off, hold up, just wait, like, don't pay full price, get it on sale. Why not? Save some money. But yeah, I'll have all that information down below. Also, if you enjoyed this style video, little unboxing, talking about shoes, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, let them know that Beckett Simonon is having a really great deal. Like, spread the good news. And be sure to leave a comment down below, which style of shoe do you like the best, or which pair are you looking at getting this holiday season? And while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.